Hey folks, most of the valley still dry today, but you look out to the west, we got some pretty good showers up in Zapata County. It's just kind of clipping the western part of Starr County as well. Some very light rain from Rio Grande City back to Roma, but then you get up closer to Falcon Lake and Falcon Village all the way up to Zapata. Pretty good rain moving through that region tonight. It's moving northward, so it should stay away from the rest of the valley, but this is just a sign that the atmosphere is moistening up. There's a pretty good disturbance well off to the northwest of us, but that will trigger a lot of rain northwest of us and probably a little bit of rain here as well. Now, Future Track keeps all that stuff west of us out there the rest of the night. During the daytime tomorrow, you saw stuff go by again. Scattered showers tomorrow afternoon, kind of like what we saw today, but maybe a little more active than today. Today we saw stuff kind of in northern Hidalgo County going northward, then we saw the stuff tonight. I think tomorrow may be a slightly more active day across the region. And watch Wednesday, same kind of thing. Scattered showers show up. By Wednesday evening it begins to fade away, and then Thursday I think we've got a shot again as scattered showers begin to show up. Future Track a little quiet on that, but I think that's probably our best shot is Thursday, kind of ramping up from Wednesday into Thursday with at least scattered showers, maybe a thunderstorm or two mixed in, although the biggest part of the rain should stay off to the west and northwest of us. Temperature-wise, here's where we stand right now. 82 Westlake, 85 in Rio Grande City, 84 in Port Isabel, 82 in Brownsville. Tomorrow's highs are back in the 90s, but of course the showers will be around. If you get rained on tomorrow, your temperature will drop quickly into the 80s and then slowly climb back up. Depends on the time of day it happens, how quickly you get back to those numbers in the 90s. Our average high for this time of year is right at 90. And we're going 95, 93, 92. Actually, temperature's going down the next few days. Let's look at the big picture there. Of course, you see Maria off the east coast, and you see the front making its way into West Texas. This front kind of in association with a big upper level disturbance. It's kind of sitting back over here. That combination is going to bring lots of rain, especially to southwest Texas. Some of it falling in our watershed, we hope, from about Falcon Lake back to Del Rio and Amistad and down into Mexico, some of it in Texas. That lasts all the way into Thursday, even Friday. As that front finally gets close to us, it might push through, but as it does, it's likely to wash out, and that'll be the end of that, but it's going to at least give us a shot at some rain. There's Maria, still a hurricane moving off the east coast. Right now, the winds, as you can see, are 80 miles per hour. The forecast path takes it northward and then northeastward. They're still getting some pretty good wind and rain off the coast of the Carolinas, but other than that, it's going to miss the U.S. So for tonight, if you're headed to the coast by 8 a.m., 9 a.m., temperatures in the upper 80s, southeasterly winds. By afternoon, we're in the upper 80s. The UV index is very high at the coast. Rip current risk remains low. There are the tides. Seas are 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop on the bay. For tonight then, 78 for your low, partly cloudy and relatively warm. Southeast winds at 7 to 14. And then tomorrow, back to 95, partly sunny with a 30% chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Next 7 days, this is a change from last week. If you take a look, there's at least a shot at rain every day during the next 7 days. Last week we didn't have much in there at all, but things have changed a little bit. This upper disturbance get a little closer, the front's going to stall nearby, and that combination gives us at least the shot at some showers, probably peaking around Thursday, I think.
I know that'll make Dina happy.
It finally rains on her house, we hope.
That's right.
That's where she's out there tonight getting ready for it.
All right. All right, thanks, Tim. High school football season already in week 5, right, Brendan?